No more lies! Lahat ng tao sa buhay ko sinusubukan akong kontrolin. Pati ba naman ikaw magsisinungaling ka sa akin? Maawa naman kayo sa akin.
Haley, I'm sorry. Yes, I know about it, but it was just this morning. Yes, I was engaged to Camille. I tried being in a relationship with her, pero hindi ko kaya. I was never in love with her, kaya kami naghiwalay.
Hindi yan ang sinabi niya sa akin. Ang sinabi niya sa akin, kaya daw kayo naghiwalay dahil nakita mo yung file ko.
That's only half true. Hiwalay na kami bago pa nakita yung file mo. And when I saw that it was you I'm going to marry, I did everything I could to make sure that would happen. You ask me why? Because I haven't stopped thinking about you since that first night. You see this? This right here. This is love at first sight. This is destiny. When they gave me a chance to marry you, I took that chance and I never let it go.